guys, I am back and I'm doing my first ever Pretty Little Thing haul, so let's get right into it. So the first item that I got was this little red denim mini skirt. I have been longing to get a mini skirt, y'all, so when I saw it I had to grab it. I got a size 10, I believe, I'm not sure. First things first, I loved the snug fit of the waist. I did not like that little back flap. I'm about to show you guys in a second whenever I'm ready. There we go. I don't like that little back flap. I am so sorry. It's not cute at all, but it is stretchy. It was snugging that, you know, that little waist that I got. It was really pretty. I loved it, honestly. Next item up is this one shoulder bodysuit that I got. I thought it'd be really cute with a lot of the other items that I bought. You guys will see later on. It's a size 12. I love the material. It's not cotton, but it's still stretchy because, you know, I got some arms on me. So honestly, it was awesome. I have like a little bandeau underneath, just kind of support the girls. But I love one shoulder pieces, so this was really cute. I don't normally like get dressed up, but overall I loved it. And just to let you guys know, the price and the link for each item will be down below, so y'all go ahead and check that out at the end. So lately, snakeskin has been in, so y'all know I had to go ahead and, you know, get me a little skirt. You feel me? I just wanted to be a part of the hot girl crew. So I got this little neon lime green skirt. The material kind of threw me off. I love the way it hugs my waist, but y'all already know how I feel about that back flap. I'm a little shaky on that. It has a little space in the front, but I can still move around in it. I can still dance in it. And it goes perfect with the one shoulder bodysuit that I got. So I'm quite pleased with it, but beware, the material is just kind of plasticky. It's just something to get used to. I forgot to mention that the length on both of the skirts that I got are perfect. So like, that's just a win-win situation for me. Alright, next on the list is this snake print leggings that I got. I must say this is the only item that I'm kind of disappointed in. I know the title says leggings, but I wasn't expecting to get legging material. That's number one. Number two, I got it too big. I don't remember what the size is that I got, sorry. But it was just too big, you know, it was just a little too baggy in the front area. I mean, it fits my little booty okay, but I don't know. I don't know about this one. It's a little iffy for me. Again, like I said, everything goes well with the bodysuit. Eventually, you'll see that I tucked that part in, and that's when it started looking a tiny bit better. But still, I honestly don't know if I'll actually wear this one out. So, yeah, I don't know. And then soon I'll show you a little close-up of like me just tucking it in. I don't know why, but yeah, it was okay for me. So this is what I normally go on Pretty Little Things for. Like, I am so basic with my shopping and I love dresses. So I just got a simple bandeau dress. Just something I could wear to work or just throw on casual day. I could dress it up with some heels. I don't know, anything really. It's a simple black dress, like, I love it. Lastly, I got this neon lime dress. Who do I think I am? I have no clue, but I was like, look, I'm about to be rocking the neon, you feel me? So it's literally just a regular basic I guess you can say body contrast. It's kind of snug around the, you know, tummy area, but you know, it is what it is. Like, I'm sure when I got my makeup on, my heels on, like, you know, I'm gonna feel confident to wear it out. Only thing is, it can get a little see-through, so, you know, just make sure you wear the right undergarments. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.